It's looking so nice. So we can use these water candles to decorate our house. Rise and shine to everyone. Welcome back to our online session. In a hot summer day, today we will do a hot activity. So today we will learn how to make the water candle. Let's begin. The things required for the water candle is first a glass of water, matchstick, cotton, a thick sheet of transparency, scissors. I'm having stones here, colorful stone to decorate my candle, and having some mustard oil and few of the stones which we will use to decorate our candle. So let's begin. At first, I'm going to take a glass of water. Then I will put some oil. Then take the transparent sheet. You can cut into the square part also, or you can cut in the circular part also. Because this is the base on the oil where we will just make our cotton ball sit on it. So I am taking a little bit circular part and make a hole in the center. Be very careful while using the scissors, because when using the sharp things, we have to be very careful. So, okay. Here I have done a little hole. After that, take the cotton, make a string of it by twisting and turning it like this. Now I will put up some oil on my string, cotton string. Like this. After that, insert your cotton string . You have to be very careful while according to your hole of this thick paper, you have to make your string like this. Now I'm going to put it in the water like this. Now we have to do it before we have to dip our bag. I'm putting my stones in it to decorate. Now I'm going to light it. So in this way, we have made our water candle. I'm going to show you. Look, it's looking so nice. So we can use these water candles to decorate our house, to light up our house on the Diwali or any occasion we can use. Thank you so much.